Well, in today's video, I am going to talk to you about one piece of camera gear that is not really actually a camera gear, but it can be really handy for you. So stay with me. Well, the story of this video begins at the end of the year 2019, when I was really frustrated with the lack of nice cases for my iPhone. To that time, I was using only this rubber cover for my iPhone, which is really not that good looking and it gets dirty really fast. After a few days of browsing the internet, I've come across a nice looking and also really functional case for my iPhone. Now, if you are into mobile photography and filmmaking, I'm pretty sure that you may already heard of Moment. Moment is a company focusing on mobile photography and filmmaking. They are designing and producing some really nice lenses for smartphones and also for drones like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and they are also making some really nice iPhone cases. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the battery photo case for iPhone made by Moment, and this particular one is for iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 8 Plus, which I have, but they also have some models for newer versions of iPhones. So first of all, let me do a quick fake unboxing here. Well, fake because I've been already using this case for some time, but I would also like to walk you through the unboxing process of this product. So let's start with packaging. The design is really clean and there is really not much going on the front side of this package, except of the nice Moment logo up here. Now on the back side of this package there are some technical information about the case itself, but I will cover them later in this video. Now let's open the box. Now, as you can see, guys from Moment pay really great attention to details because the inner side of the box is really well made. There is this cardboard paper part with the "Let's get lost" quote, which is really inspirational to grab your phone, go out and shoot something. In the iPhone case itself, there is another paper part, which is the Get Started manual or Get Started instructions with nice cover photo on the back side of it. Now let's get to the most important part, which is the iPhone case itself. As I've mentioned before, this is the battery photo case for your iPhone, which means it has its own built-in 3800 mAh battery. According to Moment, this should double the battery life of your iPhone, which is really great because if you are taking pictures or shooting videos with your iPhone, it can drain your battery really fast. Now the next really important feature of this case is on the back side, where is the lens interface, which will allow you to attach all kinds of great Moment lenses to your iPhone. I personally do not have any of these lenses yet, but I'm certainly planning to buy some and try them out, because with the constantly improving image quality of your smartphone, this can be really the future of run-and-gun filmmaking. Now let's take a look at the side of this iPhone case, where is another really great feature that stands out for me and will definitely stand out for you too. I'm talking about the DSLR-like shutter button. This button has also two stages like your regular DSLR shutter button, which means that with the first stage you will focus and with the second stage you will take actually a picture. Well, I really like using this shutter button better than the on-screen shutter button on your iPhone. But there is actually one caveat when it comes to this DSLR-like shutter button. And that caveat is that the internal battery inside of this case has to be charged in order for you to use this DSLR button. It's really a bummer because this battery will definitely boost the battery life of your iPhone, but as soon as you drain this battery, you will no longer be able to use this shutter button anymore. Another downside of this case is this charging plug here. Well, if you want to use some accessories with your iPhone, like for example regular Apple headphones, you will definitely run into some trouble. Like I mentioned before, when the battery of this case is drained, you will not be able to use any accessories with your iPhone. When it comes to using headphones with your iPhone, I had some troubles also when the battery was fully charged. then your only option will be to pull out your iPhone out of this case, and that means your iPhone will be left unprotected and you will have one more thing in your pocket. Now, when it comes to the overall design of this thing, it is really something you will have to get used to. All of the smartphones are really thin these days, and when you will use them with this kind of case, it will get much thicker in your hand. Then you will definitely have a feeling like you've traveled back in time at least 10 years from now. However, the overall design of this thing is really nice and simple, and you will have definitely feeling that your iPhone is really well protected. Now the question is if I will recommend using this kind of battery photo case for your iPhone. And the answer is yes. It has some really nice features like the internal battery, like the DSLR shutter button, and it really feels like your iPhone is well protected with this case. If you are planning to shoot more on your iPhone, like for example vlogs or some behind the scenes, I will definitely recommend getting one of these. So even without buying any lenses from Moment, this product will be really great for you because it will boost up the lifetime battery life of your iPhone, and you'll be able to take pictures much easier with this DSLR button. However, if you are a design-oriented person, I will certainly not recommend getting one of these because suddenly your iPhone will feel like and look like a brick in your hand. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you have one of these, let me know down in comments your thoughts, your experiences, and also if you don't have one of these, tell me what you think, tell me if you will get one of these, and if you think that mobile photography and filmmaking is the future. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel because then you will not miss any new videos, and I will see you next time.